Hi everyone! It's still summer for me, but I think it's heading into autumn. But still, I would like to show you something between autumn and summer design. So, what I'm doing, I prepared a tip with peach color gel polish and then covered it with a matte top coat. On top of that, I have painted now leaves, and the color that I use it's called Magic Wand Gel Polish. So I'm using detailer number 1 brush and just painting the leaves. They are cured in the lamp, and then the next step I am applying here something that might look like flowers. So a couple of details with champagne yellow gel polish and just literally creating 3 petals. So each flower will have 3 petals mm, on the sides, but it's not perfect. Um, it's supposed to be 3 petals. Then in the middle, I am using orange gel polish, which is called Oops Orange. And then I'll be using another color, which is called Bloody Mary. So this creates like kind of ombre-ish look, and it kind of is messy, but don't worry, it's gonna have a little bit more details. So just dabbing quickly in each flower, and here it comes the little bit redder color, reddish color. Bloody Mary, it's very deep color, so it's nice when the design isn't too plain with the colors, and it's nice when there is a little bit of contrast. So just fixing these, and they were all wet while I used it, and then cured it in the lamp. So I didn't pre-cure each layer of the flower, just as it blended. And now I'm using a color which is called Seafoam, and using a different brush. This brush is called just Katarina's Choice, and drawing small leaves with that. Just applying a drop of the gel polish and literally spreading it in both ways, just like that, whatever I feel like. And then I will cure all of this in the lamp for 1 minute. Give it a full cure for all the layers of gel polish that I used, and then I will apply a matte top coat. Whenever you're using a matte top coat, sometimes it's nice to apply 2 layers of top coat, so then the matte look is really nice. But you have to apply it then twice, and each layer curing in the lamp, of course. I removed the sticky layer, and now I'm using again Katarina's Choice brush, the shorter one, and dabbing into the white liner gel, applying the tip of each flower. This is like imaginary flower, so it's nothing really, doesn't really make particular shape. But if you wanted to have a nice kind of edge of each petal, I'm dabbing the brush and picking up a little bit more gel at the time. So the tip of each stroke, it kind of has a tear shape, just like this, spreading it there towards the center of the flower, and then that is going to be cured in the lamp. The next I'm using again the same white liner gel, and just going over only the lighter green colored leaves. So then the darker one looks like it's underneath, and it's kind of hidden under the matte top coat. And then the flowers and those lighter leaves, they will look like over the darker ones. So just going over every leaf, and then there is almost it done. Then I will use a black liner gel, and with the black liner gel I will finish the center of each flower. And these are also strokes just from the other side, so it'll be from the other way around from the center of the flower up, and later I will add a couple of dots. So just like this, not too much, just creating like the center of each flower. For the dots I'm using Master Marbler tool, and then just picking up from the wet black paint, black liner gel, so it's not too much, not too much gel, and then I'm able to make smaller and bigger dots, also not too many. Then once that's done, it's gonna be cured in the lamp. It doesn't require any additional top coat, but if you want, of course, you can add something. And I actually wiped off the sticky layer. This vinyl gels, liner gels, they have a little bit of sticky layer. So these are the colors that I used, and I hope you like the end result. Thanks for watching. Bye.